Want to install iPhone emojis on Android? Let's easily download and set them up. Open Google Chrome on your device. Type Resider iPhone emoji and search. Visit a third-party website featuring iPhone emoji options. Scroll down to find the section titled Bonus Method for Getting iOS Emojis on Android. Tap on Download iOS Emoji app to initiate the download. Tap Download Anyway if a prompt appears, allowing the download to proceed. Open the downloaded file and proceed to install the app. Tap on Open to launch the application after installation. Tap Enable Emoji Keyboard as prompted in the app. Scroll down to locate and enable Emoji Keyboard 10. Tap OK to confirm the activation of the keyboard. Switch to Emoji Keyboard by selecting Emoji Keyboard 10 from the input options. Allow all permissions for the Emoji Keyboard to ensure seamless functionality. Check if iPhone emojis work by opening any app which uses your keyboard. Yes, my Android now displays iPhone emojis. Subscribe for more useful tips.